Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to discuss about the application load balancer and how does it work, similar to the previous video, but here we are going to talk about the server name indication and how we are going to use that to route to multiple applications. Okay, so just summarizing what we have discussed earlier, the request which is triggered by the client ends up in the application load balancer, and to carry it forward the application load balancer must have a listener, which it has by default, and we can have multiple listeners over there. Okay, so the application load balancer, once the request reaches there, the listener picks it up and sends it to the target group, which can be a different EC2 instances. Also, we can have different application URLs over there. So that's why the request is sent to a target group. Target group can have either EC2 instances, application URLs, or Lambda functions. Okay, so let's say there are multiple instances or multiple URLs behind the application load balancer, and the application load balancer, since it is a layer 7, so it will allow you to use the URL parameters or the request details. Based on that, you can determine which application you want to route to. But the problem is, if you want to have an SSL connection, HTTPS connection, you need to have a SSL certificate installed in the load balancer. And in our case, we are having three different applications. So we need to set up three different uh, SSL certificates. Okay, so for you cannot do it directly. For that, you need to use a server name indication. So with that, you will be able to host multiple applications behind a load balancer. Okay, so it will make it very simple, so that you can just share the IP address of the load balancer to the client, and based on the request that is sent to the load balancer, it gets redirected to different applications, and it will happen securely. You can use the HTTPS protocol because now you have the option to maintain multiple client certificates, the SSL certificates, in the load balancer using the server name indication. Okay, that's all for this video, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching.